Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Daivi Sampat Vimokshaya Nibandhaya Asuri Mata Masuchaha Sampadam Daivim Abhijatosi Pandava. Om. Realize that if you want to be released from the bondage, you have to submit to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Do not transgress Sri Krishna Paramatma's commandments. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I do want to be released from the bondage. I shall submit to you. O Krishna, I shall not transgress your commandments. Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra and teaching Gajendra Mokshanam. In that process, we are trying to understand Potanamatya's visions, divine vision, through his poems. Srimanarayana has reached the pond where he has to protect Gajendra. He sent Sudarshana Chakrayudham. Such Sudarshana Chakrayudham Ambhojakara Madhyanutana Nalinyalingana Kredanarambundaina Velungure Nichelu Varan Vochi Neetan గుభుల్గుంభధ్వానముతో కొలంకువు కళంకంబొందగాజొచ్చి దుష్టాంభోవర్తి వసించు చక్కటికి డాయంబోయి హృద్వేగమై. Such Sudarshana Chakrayudham at once jumped into that pond. When he jumped, it is looking like as and how the rays of Surya Bhagavan coming and touching the most delicate lotus, just like that it is looking. And the moment he jumped at once into that pond, that made such a huge sound, gubhul, gubhul, such a big sounds. With that sound and with the jump that Sudarshana Chakra did into that pond, that entire pond got shaken. And with the highest velocity, Sri Sudarshana Chakram is now already reached the crocodile. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 16th chapter 5th sloka. Daivi Sampad Vimokshaya Nibandhaya Asuri Mata Masuchas Sampadam Daivim Abhijatosi Pandava. Daivi Sampad Vimokshaya Nibandhaya Asuri Mata Masuchas Sampadam Daivim Abhijatosi Pandava. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.